So, hey guys! Ayun, medyo mainit lang. This is Anne, kaya nakakap ako. Ayun, recently, I started walking. At, ayun, ito yun sa may bandang ano na namin eh. Ngay, pababa na sa aming, anong tawag sa anong barangay oh, sa barangay. So, una, nag-start ako, naglito. Hindi ko alam na pwede pala siyang daanan. Dito, wait lang. Ayan. Kasi concrete yung pinagwawalkingan ko eh. Until natagpan ko na pwede palang pumunta rin here. Yan. So, ano siya, parang gusto ko kasing puntahan yun. Yung tree na yun kasi wala, ang ganda lang tingnan. Saka tingnan nyo naman yung ano dito oh. Space. Ang ganda kasi it's still up in the morning. May mga baka ba yun? Over there. Tapos ang ganda, well lit yung, syempre sa haring araw, sa mga crops dito, sa mga grasses, sa field. Tapos nandun yung mountain, yung Mount Banahaw. Kaya, yan, samahan niyo ako as we go through this field. Parang malaan na lang. Road less traveled ang atake. Ang ganda dito. Okay, pero mas sneering. Nag-walking lang ako, may natagpuan agad na hidden gem spot. Ganda. Wait. Masasabi ko ng I love nature. Ayan, ito na yung puno guys. Tada! Ganda no? Ayan. Ano masabi ko? Basta, yung recently na nabalitaan ko na news where a lot of trees were being cut down for a special project sa pagpapatayo nung sa ano hindi pagpapatayo, pagkakaroon na yung ano sa construction dun sa tag dito. I think it's part of Southern Luzon Expressway. Is similar to that, pero yun, correct me if I'm wrong. Now where a lot of trees are being cut down. And para sa akin, hindi makatarungan yun. They should have had a better plan for it na hindi masyadong totally inilevicate yung lahat ng yung mga puno na nandun dun sa Querido. Yan, I heard it sa news. Siyempre, I wouldn't say such a thing if hindi ko talaga siya actually napanood. So with regards to that, naalala ko lang kasi how important we should always see words of God's creation. Kasi syempre, diba, isa sa mga nilikha ng Diyos ay itong mga puno. And being here makes me think how lucky, not just lucky but blessed we are to experience this life. With this tree, it's not only called tree of life for no reason. It's a tree of life because through them we can breathe, we can do a lot of things. Dito natin pinagkukunan yung mga resources sa lumber. Well, at least for this tree, nagbibigay siya ng shade. It brings us yan yung oxygen. And for me, sa pagiging like to gauge my poetic side. Tree for me symbolizes hope for things to change, and that, yan, for every leaf that's in there, it's definitely saying we all have our own season and we shouldn't compare each of our leaves with others. Kasi the more, di ba nga sabi, uh, comparison is the thief of joy. So, for me, yung every leaf which symbolizes our season, just cherish it. Live the moment as is. Never compare, but instead celebrate the wins of others. And for every leaf, yan, for every leaf, ito for example this, for every leaf that has come to pass, let it go, move forward, because alam ko, time and time again, may sisibol na panibagong leaf. And when the time comes, I know that through our healing, through our preparation for new beginnings, uh, we will realize na life's not really unfair. It's just preparing us for better things. So that's it for my vlog dito sa napakagandang puno na to. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong tawag dito eh. But for me, it's a tree of the beginnings. So that's it. This is Anne Pauline. Peace out.